You wake up, the sun hasn't fully risen yet, and the air still carries that crisp freshness. This one can define everything. You have a choice right now in this very instant to start your day with one simple yet powerful act, a glass of water. It's simple, yes, but it's powerful. Too often we overlook water. But let me tell you, hydration is the backbone of energy, focus, and well-being. Especially as we age, we can feel the weight of time. The world moves faster, the pressure builds, and suddenly we're exhausted, foggy, and burnt out. But there's something you have the power to control, hydration. This isn't just about drinking water. It's about taking control of your health, your mind, your life. You might not realize it yet, but small daily actions like hydrating properly are what keep you sharp, energized, and fully alive. They are what allow you to thrive, not just survive. So let's face it head on. Most of us, as we grow older, fall into habits we don't even realize are robbing us. We're unaware of how those little moments, like sipping water first thing, have the power to change everything. But imagine this. What if you could change that? What if your morning hydration could set you up for unstoppable energy and clarity? It's more than just quenching thirst. It's about fueling your body, mind, and soul. It's about saying, I'm giving myself the gift of energy, focus, and vitality. When you start making small, intentional changes like prioritizing hydration, you're not just going through the motions, you're unlocking your full potential. Listen to me. A morning hydration routine isn't just beneficial, it's transformative. And you can start right now, right here. Don't wait. You're not here just to get by. You are here to dominate, to take charge, to make every day better than the last. Here's the truth. As we get older, our bodies change. We don't feel the thirst like we used to. Maybe we don't crave water the way we once did. But it's in those moments of subtle decline where we go wrong. It's when we don't listen to our bodies, don't pay attention to hydration, that we feel sluggish, foggy, and low energy. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be like that? You don't have to accept feeling less than your best. The simple act of drinking water in the morning, done right, can radically shift how you feel. You'll experience energy, clarity, and focus that'll make you feel unstoppable. Now, let's get real. It's not enough to just drink any water. It's not just about gulping down whatever's closest. It's about giving your body the right kind of fuel, the right kind of hydration, the right water. Think about it. When you hydrate properly, you're not just quenching thirst. You're setting yourself up for peak performance. You're aligning your body, your metabolism, your mind. You're creating momentum that will drive you forward all day long. Here's where people miss the mark. They think hydration is automatic. But as we age, our bodies lose those vital cues that tell us to drink. You might not feel thirsty, but dehydration is already creeping in. And by the time you're truly thirsty, you're already off track. Your energy is tanking. Your focus is slipping. That's where your morning glass of water comes in. You need to make it a priority. Make it an intentional act. Don't reach for coffee first. Don't grab that sugary drink. Start with pure, clean water. That act sends a message to your body. I am prioritizing you. I am giving you exactly what you need to thrive today. Starting your day with water isn't just hydration. It's a full reset. It boosts your metabolism, clears toxins, jumpstarts your digestion. You're preparing your body to perform at its absolute best. And it's an investment that pays you back day after day. I know it's tempting to skip this step, to go straight for that cup of coffee, that quick fix. But let me ask you, how do you feel after a day where you've hydrated properly versus a day where you haven't? There's a massive difference, isn't there? On the days you hydrate first, everything just clicks. Your energy flows, your mind sharpens, you're more in tune with your body and your goals. And your goals. And guess what? You get to decide this. You get to decide every morning how you show up for yourself. This is empowerment. This is the real magic. Look, it's easy to think, well, I don't feel thirsty. I'm fine. But here's the catch. That's exactly why you need to hydrate more. As we age, we lose that sharp thirst response. Your body isn't going to yell at you to drink. It's up to you to make sure you're giving it what it needs. Remember, your body is made up of 60% water. Every cell, every organ, every system relies on water to function. Skipping hydration in the morning doesn't just affect your thirst. It affects your whole day. It impacts your energy, your mood, your focus, your productivity. So don't let dehydration control you. Take control instead. When you hydrate, you're not just quenching thirst. You're setting yourself up for greatness. You're saying, I am in charge of my health, my vitality, my future. But wait, it doesn't stop at any water. It's about quality. You wouldn't put low-grade fuel in a Ferrari, right? So why would you put anything less than the best in your body? Water from a clean, filtered, trusted source is what fuels you for high performance. And the temperature. Oh, don't overlook that. Cold water can shock your system. Room temperature or slightly warm water is what you want. It's gentler, faster absorbed, and gets your metabolism firing. This is about making hydration a mindful practice. It's not a one-off. It's a daily commitment. And when you make that commitment, you'll see the results. More energy, better mood, sharper focus, a body that functions at its best. But let's take it further. Hydration is so much more than just feeling good. It's about your long-term health. If you consistently skip this simple, vital act, you are setting yourself up for bigger health issues down the line. Dehydration can lead to problems with digestion, kidney function, even cardiovascular health. Every system in your body relies on the hydration you give it. The fact is, the longer you put this off, the harder it becomes to reverse the damage done by dehydration. It's not just a small oversight, it's something that can affect you every day. But here's the great news. You have the power to change that. Starting right now, today, you can be the person who chooses health over complacency. You can choose energy over sluggishness. It's all in your hands. As you commit to this morning routine, you'll notice more than just mental clarity. You'll feel more alive. Your cells will function more efficiently. Your joints will feel less stiff. Your skin will feel more vibrant, and you'll see a reduction in bloating. This isn't just about drinking water. It's about optimizing your entire body for success. It's about consistency. It's about making sure that this morning hydration is non-negotiable. When you treat it as a daily ritual, the results will compound. You'll feel better, not just today, but over time. The benefits of hydration accumulate, and before long, you'll be looking at a completely different version of yourself. So, let me remind you, hydrate with purpose. Every sip counts. Every action you take right now is a choice for a better life. And it's not just about physical health. When you hydrate, you are mentally saying, I care about myself. I care about how I feel, how I operate, how I show up in this world. Think about how powerful it would feel to know you've taken this step. Not only have you begun to master your health, but you've started a ripple effect. Small changes lead to massive transformations. It all starts with that first glass of water. This is your opportunity. Don't wait another moment. Start right now. The best time to prioritize your health is now. Drink that water. Set yourself up for success. You've got everything to gain. Take a moment right now to imagine how much energy you will have tomorrow morning. Picture yourself rising, refreshed, ready to take on the day. But the day. Imagine your clarity, your productivity, and your confidence as you move through the day, knowing that hydration was the first step you took to unlock that power. Hydration fuels your success today, tomorrow, and every day after. So don't hold back. Don't waste another moment of your potential. Hydrate now and step into your power. This is your journey. Let's begin.